And today you're going to see my Thanksgiving set. Well, I made a ton of things for my Barbies for Thanksgiving. So you will really enjoy what I have for you today. Here are my two Barbies. And they are going to have Thanksgiving. This is the two I made it for. Now, I can't let you see this part because it has some of the names of my family. Okay, good. Now, this is a platter. See this platter? Let me show you closer. Here's a platter, and when you open it up, turkey!
Where'd the platter come from?
This platter was my mom's, and she was a kid. From Ariel. It's for Barbies. And this is a turkey I made myself, and it has a little turkey hole. That is the turkey. You need a turkey. Now I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I did not make. This is my little Shopkin Tommy ketchup. This is my Shopkin dollops. And this is wobbles for the Jello because my grandma makes really good Jello for Thanksgiving. So that's Shopkins. And here is a okay. Angie, can you get that orange juice can? Sorry, I told you what one of the things is. That. Get it. She's getting it. I'm going to show you the, this is an orange juice can from my store, my market, my Barbie market. And this is a pumpkin pie. Whoa. No, don't flip over again. Has a little swirl of whipped cream on top. And this is a really nice plate, but I didn't make this. It's cool, but it's not that shiny. It's not. It's on camera. I made this dessert one for the pumpkin pie. It has a little heart on it, if you can see. It's purple. I made that. Here are two bowls. And let me tell you what I did to make these very nice bowls. Well, first, I'm going to put this over there. I took a ball of Play-Doh and I just stuck my finger in it, so it's pretty easy. It looks very nice. Here are four of pink plates that I made out of Play-Doh. 4 pink plates. And this is a carrot stick bowl. Oh, shoot. I wanted to ask my grandma if we could have the carrot sticks, but I totally forgot. Thanksgiving. I'm sad. Carrot sticks. Hey, birdies, sweetie. And next thing. Are these pomegranate bowls? They're pomegranates. I'm going to bring them up close so you can see the little pomegranates. I don't know if you can see it because it's a little dark in here.
Most people don't have pomegranates for Thanksgiving. How do you have them?
Most people don't have pomegranates for Thanksgiving, but we like them. And I think you can find them at, do we find them at Target?
No, any grocery store at this time of year.
You can find them at any grocery store at this time of year. So, if you...
Where?
Huh?
Anna?
What?
You put the pomegranates in your what at Thanksgiving dinner?
What?
In your salad.
I put my pomegranates in the salad, in our salad. But I didn't know it was like in salad. The same thing. I made the bowls the same way. And here are two of my drinks. This is Annie. My little kid here is Annie. I have actually a friend named Annie. So, here's someone named Nanny. There you go. This one has a straw. Juice fell over. It's fine. And I make that juice. And this is a Barbie's drink. I just got some yellow Play-Doh and I wrapped pink Play-Doh around it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I made let me get my something out. I don't want to spoil it. This is a pomegranate sauce. Yeah, got it right. And my grandma makes awesome pomegranate sauce. Awesome.
No. Not pomegranate sauce at Thanksgiving.
Wait, what? Cranberry.
Cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce. What did I say before?
Pomegranate sauce.
Oops. Pomegranate sauce? No. But I think it does have pomegranates in it.
No, it has apples and nuts and things.
Whoa. I thought it had pomegranates. This is cranberry sauce. Cranberry. But anyway, you know how Play-Doh gets old and yucky when in all white? Birdies, calm down. All white. But my dad thought of this, and it's Birdies, I'm making a video. And I colored it, so that's a very good idea. With marker. Here, that was pomegranate sauce. I mean cranberry.
Not from a can.
Not from a can. Cranberry sauce, cranberry sauce, cranberry sauce, cranberry sauce. Here are my cranberry sauce tiles. Barbies. They're hitting each other. My sister's bird hits mine. There's the pomegranate sauce. At the end of the video, I'm going to like show my birds. They're cuties. Let me find the other. Sorry for that boiling. My mom's cooking sometimes. Where is that? I'm trying to look for you guys. Where are you? Are you finding? Where is that? I had it just a minute ago. Well, at least I have one. I'll find it. This is some mashed potatoes. Taters. I call them mashed potatoes. Isn't that funny? And this is. And I don't know if you can tell. Barbies. Birdies.
Wait. Keep your video going.
Okay. Sorry. This is mashed potatoes and they have hearts. If you can tell, if you saw. And I made birdies. Quiet down. Noisy. And here are 3 corn. This is one of them. 2 of them, I mean. And this is one of them with peel. There is a lot. Cornbread texture. Cornbread pieces. Yeah, I love cornbread. Especially with butter. Butter. And this is some salad. Yeah. And here is some apple pie pieces. Let me show you the really hilarious apple pie. Look at this. It's an apple pie, but what does it look like? An angry pumpkin. That's what my dad thinks. This is a salad ball. There we go. And get all these yummy. I didn't have any of these at Thanksgiving. I didn't want any.
You didn't have what?
Sweet potatoes.
You didn't eat any sweet potatoes. They were so sweet. And buttery.
Here's some sweet potatoes. There are 3 pieces because one is the actual piece you cut from. And here's some pumpkin pie pieces with whipped cream on top. Yeah. And here, there are 2 of these little blue plates with hearts. Here's an orange can. Yeah. I should have made this video on Thanksgiving, but it's, what is today? The 29th? No, yesterday was the 28th.
I thought yesterday was the 29th. Today's Saturday anyhow.
I don't know. 28th or 29th.
Saturday after Thanksgiving.
Okay, guys, this is really weird. I thought this is what greening casseroles look like, but they are so not. My aunt said that it looks like a cinnamon roll with green beans. And here's a piece of turkey with gravy on it. Gravy. There's 4 of these jelly pieces. And there's a few of these orange pieces. And there's a lot of carrot sticks. And this is some butter. Oh, there we go. Whoa, butter. And there's pieces of turkey for her. And I have these silver plates. My grandma gave me them. Oh, there's a lot of them. And yeah, that was my Thanksgiving set. Oh, right. You get to see my birdies now. Let me bring the camera. Hi. Now, I don't know if you can see them because I'm watching. Yeah, you can see them. That's my birdie. The lighter one is a boy and it's mine. Oh, that one's mine. And there's one hiding in the back. That's my sister's. Yeah. She's a shy one. Well, I must be going. Let me put back on the stand. I'll see ya. Bye.
Hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving.
And I hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving.
Joyful Thanksgiving.
And a joyful Thanksgiving. Get it? Joyful? Okay. Ugh.